Hello guys, in this video I will try just to show you something technical. Some of the people they have no idea about this. That's why I want to explain it, and most of the time you don't find it anywhere, even in books, in online you don't find it, which is the bid and the ask in trading hours and after trading hours. Okay, I'll just give you an example. Now let's say Facebook stock is FB, as almost you know, and the bid is, let's say, 155, and then the ask is 155, 1 cent. As you can see, 1 cent only. If you want to buy, you buy from the ask. It means the market maker asked you to pay this price. If you want to sell, you sell them by the bid. This here is in trading hours. Trading hours, it means from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, why the bid and the ask change after the market close? Okay, they change. Let's say you find 145, and here, let's say 160. Now you find that if you want to buy after market hours, you find the stock is so expensive. It was only 155.01 at close. Before, it means at the end of the day. Let's say this is the end of the day, the bid and the ask. Now the bid and the ask here change to 145 and 160. This happens with almost all the stocks where the bid and the ask, or it means the spread, become wide. Okay? There are two reasons why this happened. We have few traders. We have only few traders after, so the people they don't want to trade when the volume is not high. Okay, the volume is so low. Let's say here in the trading market, trading when from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Let's say you find 15 million, which is the volume. Okay. When it is after the market, let's say you find 10,000, 5K, 10K, 10,000 only. So the people who are trading, they are few and they don't buy that much. That's why the bid and the ask will be wide. Now, who makes this bid and ask wide is the market makers and the specialists in NYSE, New York Exchange. Okay, this is to protect themselves, because here, when you want to buy, they will match and they will give you 155, 1 cent. If you want to sell, they will give you 155. Okay? So it is so quick because the bid and ask will be tight. There are a lot of traders, so the market maker is only making 1 cent. But because of the millions of shares traded, they make money from that. From 1 cent, they make money. Thousands and thousands of dollars from this. But here, the volume is so low, so they can't make that much money. So they should make the spread wide in order to make some money, because they buy from you 145, and if you want to buy, they will sell it for 160. That's why they make a lot of money after the market makers. After after the 4 p.m. and before 8:30. It means before 8. So let's say this is 8:30 here. 9:30. Okay? 9:30. You will find that this bid and ask is the same here and here, which is wide. When the market begins at 9:30 a.m., there is a lot of traders, they trade, so the bid and the ask will be tight. And even if you want to do stop loss, most of the time you can't do it when the market closes and you go to your broker. You want to put stop loss. Okay? Let's say the close is 155.1 This is the close of the day. Okay? You want to put a stop loss at 150. Just an example, okay? Stop loss. But you are here. Now, when you want to put $150 and the bid is 145, your order doesn't go and it is not accepted, because they will send you a notice from your broker. It says to you the stop loss should be lower than the bid, not above it. So you can't do that. That's why in my strategies, always before the market close at 4 o'clock, you go and you buy the stock. Let's say 3:30 p.m. You buy the stock and then you put stop loss. Okay? Without waiting until 4 o'clock. When it is 4 o'clock, after that, things will changing. I will tell you something that maybe you don't know, but sometimes, especially small stocks, this is funny. You find bid and ask. You find it like this: 0 and 0. Okay? And you ask yourself, let's say the close of this stock is $5. Now you ask yourself, the stock has closed at $5, but after 4 o'clock, there is 0 and there is 0. Now what does it mean? It means that the brokers have no buyers and sellers for this stock, and they don't want to give any bid or ask, any orders. There is no any orders. No one is coming to buy or sell. Okay? That's why you find it 0 here and 0 here. So you can't buy or sell. If you want to put an order to buy at $5, okay, it says 0, so you can't. So that's why what I ask you always, try to avoid working after the market hours, after or before. Try not to do that, because it is a lot of risk. And for me, I'm trying to give you as much as information as I know, because this kind of information, okay, most of the time you will find nowhere. It means the people, they don't talk about this, and that's why they say it's risky. Try to avoid working on these hours. Try to work always in the day trading, and you can do your you buy, or you put stop loss, or you exit, or you do a market order. Okay, because after market hours there is no market order. There is only limit order. Okay, if you want to buy or to sell. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and send me your private questions if you have. Thank you very much.